Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in our technology center where I have a cool new product to show you today, and I'm going to test it out for myself. I'm going to tell you what my problem was a little bit. Maybe yours might be similar. That's why you're watching this. Then I am going to unbox it, tell you all about its features and that kind of stuff. Then I'm going to set it up. I'm going to use it for a little bit and come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know if it was any good or if it stunk. So here was my problem. I have been setting up a wireless camera system, that kind of stuff around here, using most of the stuff that we find here on Amazon. And would you believe it? None of that stuff seems to want to work with my really fancy 5 megahertz system here in the house. So I needed a dedicated 2.4. So I found this one. It had great reviews. I was like, let me get that. Let me set it up. Let me see how it works as 2.4 instead of the 5. And let me make sure that it works with my cameras as a dedicated system. And then I'll review that. It seemed to make sense for me. So here I am unboxing it for you for the first time, seeing it myself. So a couple things you want to know about this wireless router. It should be good up to 300 megabits per second. Check it out. It is nice and small. Comes with 2 antennas which go on it. It is, and those antennas are 5 dBi, which are much stronger than your normal antennas that come with off-the-shelf routers and that kind of stuff. Its setup should be super easy. All we need to do is plug it in. I'm actually going to plug it into my network directly, and then put some antennas on it and try logging in, see how it goes. And then also, as most of these things go, you have 4 LAN connections on the back of it, should you want to do some like physical wiring to your computer or something like that instead of doing it wireless. Instead of doing it wireless, you could just plug it right into here, into your computer or other network devices. And it's supposed to have a great range, so we're gonna really test it, right? I'm gonna hook it up upstairs. We're in the technology center, and the cameras all that I wanna use are all outside. So let's plug it in, see how it works with my camera system, and then I'll give you that Doug score from 1 to 5. Okay, I'm back. I unplugged it from my system here. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't speed test it because I have a gigabit speed system in the house, so I wasn't gonna test a 300 megabit system for speed, but that wasn't what I was looking for. I was looking for really good range and ease of use with those 2.4 gigahertz systems like my cameras outside. And I will tell you, I plugged it in, worked perfectly instantly with my system. I was able to log into all my cameras all around the house, so the range was really good. That's all I wanted for it. If you want something beyond that, maybe you need a more sophisticated one, but if you want basic, quick, easy to use speed, this was definitely the item for you. And I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. We'll see you next time.